In Daniel 10, we finally get a mention of Cyrus the Great. In the final verse and the beginning of the next chapter, the author seems to be placing him after this Darius the Mede character. In this chapter, Daniel essentially starves himself for 3 weeks and has a vision. This vision is of a man with a belt of gold, a body like topaz, face of lightning, eyes like torches, and arms and legs like bronze. The Daniel author doesn't say who exactly this is supposed to be. However, in chapter 9, Daniel was speaking with the angel Gabriel, and it's possible that this is Gabriel again. The reason why I mention Gabriel is that the only other character mentioned in this chapter is someone called Michael. This Michael is probably a reference to the angel Michael. However, the vision speaks of this Michael as a real person. Other than the fact that Daniel is starving, weak, and seeing stuff that no one else around him is seeing, there isn't much to this chapter. In the final verses, the vision reveals why he has come. So he said, "Do you know why I have come to you? Soon I will return to fight against the prince of Persia, and when I go, the prince of Greece will come. But first I will tell you what is written in the book of truth. No one supports me against them except Michael, your prince." Daniel seems to be claiming that not only is Alexander the Great coming to conquer Persia, but also that heaven seems divided about the issue. It almost appears that the angels Michael and Gabriel attempted to save the Persians, but whatever they did didn't work. They'll apparently come back to destroy Persia and let the Greeks have it. Since there aren't any other references to this intervention by angels, this reference sounds fairly odd. However, this author is claiming that he saw a vision that stated Alexander the Great would conquer Persia. Before I leave this chapter, I wanted to point out the king error again. During the Persian Empire, there are 3 Dariuses, 2 Xerxes, and 5 Artaxerxes. There's only one Cyrus, and this author seems to be getting him confused with some of the other kings, mostly the first 2 Dariuses. But that confusion is likely because he's writing this far after the collapse of Persia, and his information isn't that good. Daniel probably knows Cyrus is important, but he doesn't know exactly where to place him.